Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host. And in this video, I want to tell you the 3 things you ought to do before buying your first cryptocurrency. Pay attention because this is extremely important. And I wish I knew this when I started back in 2021, the first day of 2021. And if you like this content, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe to ClearCryptos. We're here for you for more content in education. Now, there's not going to be any charts, any type of, looking at trading view. It's so simple. First thing you got to do is do your own research. Second, what is your risk tolerance and what is your budget for that specific purchase that you're planning to try? And third, what is your exit strategy? So let's go ahead and get started. First, do your own research, please. CC Binance CEO, from the top expert to me, we tell you, do your own research. Now, what does that encompass? What does that entail? Go ahead to the website. Browse the entire website. What's the light paper? What is the white paper? What are the tokenomics? Who is behind the project? Is the team docs? Do the team have any type of privacy, assurances that somebody has audited them? Or do they have a treasury balance? How much of the treasury is going for the founders, to the community, to marketing, etc.? How about the community on social media? Is the community active? Do they have a Discord, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, and what have you, Medium? What are the previous successes? Do they have any history when it comes to crypto? What is the background of the founders? Can we know what is the roadmap, the vision ahead, the purpose? Is it a coin, a token, a utility token, a blockchain, a store of value? I can go on and on. A layer 1, a layer 2, right? So what is the protocol? Oof, I can make another video for that. So I think you know what I'm saying, right? It is critical and vital to know what in the world you're trying to buy, the price, the economics, if it's in a bear market, in a bull market, if it's down or up. So the research encompasses all of that. You are going to be the one entitled to your own opinion and accountable for the choice you're about to make, the purchase and the sell. Number 2 will be the risk tolerance. What is your budget? Are you planning to buy $100, $1,000, $10,000? That it's all gonna depend on which crypto you're trying to buy. If you're gonna buy Bitcoin, whether you buy $10 or $10,000, you're still gonna be fine at the end of the day. But if you buy, let's say, I'm gonna just make an absurd example. Let's say Terra Luna Classic right now, which is a cryptocurrency that collapsed because of the Terra Luna, sad story that it just crashed and $40 billion destroyed. It wouldn't be a good idea to put $10,000 in Terra Luna Classic, right? Because the risk is huge. You can win, you can make it, or you can just lose everything. When it comes to Bitcoin, your risk somewhat free. It may be very volatile later on, but you're buying the best digital asset out there. Nobody can compare to Bitcoin, right? So that is the definition of what I'm saying for number 2. And number 3, my friends, well, very easy. When are you selling it? You need to have an exit strategy, whether it's 10 years from now, 2 years from now, 1 month from now, or 1 hour from now. If you're doing day trading long term or whatever you're doing, make sure you know when you're leaving, because if not, you can just kind of fall into this category of just holding with no purpose and DCA. Just kind of like feeling a little bit lost. You need to have some direction, and that is why it's good to have, if you're buying the crypto per se, you're buying Ethereum at $2,000, well, you're not going to sell it at less than $2,000. That is why you hold it and you dollar cost average as you go if you see the price going down. So later on in a bull market, you sell it at $3,000 and you make the profit. So make sure you don't forget that. And there's so many exchanges out there to help you if you need some type of triggers. All right. Now you know very important things. Tell me in the comments what you guys think. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.